An alias is an assumed name used to conceal one's identity, often referred to as a pseudonym. It contrasts with a real or given name. It's used where identity protection is necessary, such as in literature or espionage. Distort means to give a false or misleading account or to twist something out of shape. Synonyms include disfigure, misshape, and falsify. It helps in recognizing when information is being manipulated or when physical forms are altered. Dumbfounded describes a state of being so amazed that one is unable to speak, feeling bewildered. Synonyms include speechless, stunned, and flabbergasted, while antonyms are unsurprised and expectant. Extinct refers to something no longer in existence or active, having vanished completely. Synonyms include died out and vanished, while antonyms are still alive, surviving, and extant. It helps us grasp the finality of extinction, whether in species or ideas. Inevitable describes events that are certain to occur, unavoidable in nature. Synonyms include inescapable and fated, highlighting the certainty of such occurrences. In contrast, antonyms like avoidable, escapable, and preventable suggest the possibility of intervention or change, emphasizing the potential for different outcomes. Meteoric describes something that is fast and brilliant, akin to a meteor's swift and dazzling path. It implies sudden, temporary brilliance. Synonyms include brilliant and blazing, while antonyms are slow, sluggish, and gradual. This term often highlights rapid success or fleeting moments of glory. Parody, as a noun, refers to a humorous or ridiculous imitation, often seen in satire or travesty. As a verb, it means to make fun of something by imitating it, akin to lampooning or burlesquing. Parodies highlight the absurdities of their subjects, offering both entertainment and critique. Rend, a verb, means to tear something into pieces or split it violently apart. Its past tense is rent. Synonyms include cleave, splinter, and tear asunder. This action often implies a forceful or dramatic separation, highlighting the intensity of the act. Rummage involves actively searching through or investigating contents, often resulting in a collection of odd items. Synonyms include delve into, sift through, and poke around. This term captures the essence of thorough exploration, whether in a physical or metaphorical sense. Vandalism refers to the intentional and senseless destruction of property, whether public or private. This act not only causes financial damage but also disrupts community harmony. It is crucial for developing effective prevention strategies and fostering a sense of responsibility and respect for shared spaces.